every week we like to side hustle, highlight different side hustles out there. This week is no different. This one is pretty cool, at least for me.
I like this side hustle, bro. I like this one. I mean, okay.
Yeah,
I picked this one. By the way, there are 2 apps. Okay. One is called Wags. You can download and walk dogs, like multiple dogs, if you want to make more money. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And there is another one called Rover, right? And that's that one. So, hey, man, if you like animals, if you like dogs, you can, Rover is more like dog sitting services. Those people charge a lot of money for dog hotels and shit like that, right? Mm-hmm. So I'm like, if you like animals, here you go. There is your side hustle. Screw driving, plus, guess what? When you're around an animal, your blood pressure goes down, right? It's great. Yep. So, hey, it's proven. It's medically proven. Hey, man.
Well, not only that, but let's take a look at, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hours in your car sitting there, maybe getting up once or twice, go get gas, get something to eat, maybe charge your car if you got an EV, but you're probably, sitting in there watching something or playing a game.
No,
but here you're walking your dog, So you're getting up. You're not only are you having fun with dogs, because dogs are amazing, but you're getting out, you're walking. So that's a good thing.
Yeah, man. No, I love this. You know what?
Many different things.
This is great. And it says they charge between $25 and $35 per day to leave their dog at such doggy daycare. If you have if you have a house, obviously an apartment will be tough, but if you have a house, nice backyard, whatever, get a few dogs in there, $100 a day, boom, there you go. I think this is like pretty cool, right? If you like animals, this is your thing. Hey, WeZoom is here. WeZoom is going to be at the rally. He says, okay, WeZoom, we'll see you there. But yeah, I think, you guys gotta look at, just like Bryce said, right? You gotta have like apps, man, apps galore on your phone. You gotta have 6, 7, 8, and go whoever shows you the money.
Out there.
Do the rest of it.
Yeah, there's so many out there. I mean, like that's the whole thing on the channel. Like Tyler just did a video talking about different apps that are out there that you may not have heard of, or maybe you did, but just kind of making you aware of the many apps that are out there. There's so many out there. And not only that, there's ones that are true independent contracting work, where like Upwork, where you can actually, or Fiverr, or different things where you can actually post different services, Thumbtack and all these, TaskRabbit. You can put up different things out there and come up with an agreement with the person or with the people that you're going to service, or whatever it might be. So there's a lot more than just, rideshare, food delivery, last mile. There's a lot of different things. I mean, hell, you could even cuddle people and you don't even have to be in the same room. I don't get that, but hey, cool. So there's a lot of different side hustles out there. We want to highlight different ones. So biggest thing is, if it's something that's interesting to you, it's something you can follow up with, something you can look into, or it can give you inspiration on maybe finding your dream and making it into a reality. And take your plan A, take your plan B, make it into a plan A. You want to have more than one coal in the fire. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.